Well, hello and welcome along. So just a quick one on the Gsx-S 750 headlight bulb replacement. So as you can see, I have the LED one fitted in there, although it's not focusing. There we go. So basically what you want to do is you want to remove the two Allen screw bolts in there, and that just pops off just like that. But, you just pull that off there. It's just a captive clip, it just pulls out of there, and then the next thing to do is to undo these two bolts here, and also around here will be, if you can see, these plastic grommets in there. Is it going to focus? There we go, that's the next job. Okay, as you can see, grommet is now removed from there on the left hand side of the bike. We have the two Allen bolts removed from the top, and the other one and the other side here for the right hand side of the bike, which is just in there. Although the phone's not picking it up very well. There you go, just about see it. And then literally what you do is that just slides forward just like that. So then you can disconnect this, which gives you more play. Just like that, just squeeze the connector together, and the whole headlight just dips forward like that. Then you take that off, remove the rubber cover, undo the spring, and replace your headlight. As easy as that.